KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a really nice dish. It's a chickpea chorizo and mushroom curry. Very quick to do, very easy to do, and quite healthy. Okay, now you're going to need all of that. I found this recipe in a magazine, and it uses a pre-bought curry base. Very expensive to buy, and I've worked out we can do this a lot cheaper and get a better flavour. Right, so in a pan I've got a nice little dollop of some ghee, right, some clarified butter. If you don't have ghee, just use some butter, it's not going to hurt. I've got an onion finely diced. We're just going to add that in like that, and we're going to sweat those off. It's not going to take very long at all. This dish is very quick to make, very easy, and it tastes amazing, believe me. Right, so we're going to soften those up. I'm going to add in a whole bunch of mushrooms. I'm adding in around about 300 grams of mushrooms, which I've just sort of quartered, maybe even cut those into 6, right, or you could even just do them in quarters. We're going to put those in, let those start sweating down as well. They're going to release a whole heap of moisture and a ton of flavour, and that's going in as well. Right, here I've got one chorizo sausage which I've finely diced up, nice little tiny chunks. We just need to put that in and let that cook off, and the fat and the oils are going to come out of that. Right, we're going to add in a tablespoon of garam masala. Right, use the garam masala of your choice. Right, a teaspoon's worth of cumin and a teaspoon's worth of ground coriander. That's all going in just like that. Really simple. And we're going to add in about half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon's worth of ground pepper. That's going in as well. Right, so here I've got some garlic paste and ginger paste, about a teaspoon's worth of each. That can go straight in. If you want to use fresh, you can, but the paste is so easy and it does last quite a long time in the refrigerator. So we're going to give that a bit of a stir. We're going to fry some of those spices off a little bit as we go. It looks a little bit dry at the moment. Don't worry, just keep moving it around. Just get those spices all toasted up a little bit. Get a bit of heat in there, and the smells coming out of that pan at the moment are amazing. They're very intense. 400 gram can of tomato, which I've just blitzed in my little food processor. You could use a pre-bought tomato puree if you want to, but this is really inexpensive. It's going to cost you about 80 cents, maybe $1 for the can of that. Put it in the mixer and it's done. 400 gram can of chickpeas, which I've drained and rinsed, and they can go straight in just like that. This is a very quick, very easy curry to do. All right, the biggest thing we need to do now, get a bit of heat in those chickpeas and get those mushrooms cooked down just a little bit as well. Okay, and give a little splash of water just to make things a little bit more liquidy and make things a little bit more saucy, and we're pretty much done with this particular curry. Mrs. KP is already looking after some white rice over on the side, and she's got some nice little naan breads which she's just going to heat up as well. Right, you just need to buy those from the local supermarket, put them in the microwave for 30 seconds or so, and they're ready to go. I'm pretty happy with the consistency of this at the moment. Everything's looking really nice. Okay, and if you haven't tried making your own curries from scratch before, as you can see, it is not very hard to do, and you know what's in there. There's no artificial preservatives or MSGs or any of that nasty stuff. It's all natural. I'm going to add in a few little spinach leaves for a little bit of colour and a little bit more texture to our curry. Right, you can add those in. If you want, you can add some fresh coriander as well. I'll leave that up to you. Alright, there we go. Our curry is pretty much done. Once those leaves wilt down a little bit, we can put that onto a plate with some rice, some naan breads, put a couple more spinach leaves on top for texture and colour. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is really quick, simple and budget. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a quick sort of vegetarian dish just like this one, healthy, beautiful curry flavours, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my chickpea chorizo and mushroom curry, and I will catch you next time. Bye.